Hello and welcome to Learn to Drive the Easy Way. I am approved driving instructor Michael Gambin, and I'm going to show you how to drive a manual, automatic or vehicles fitted with disability controls in the easiest way possible. So sit back, relax and enjoy. And please remember to hit the subscribe button underneath to see any future videos. Thank you. So what we're going to talk about now is turning left into a road. The routine that we are going to use is, again, MSPSL, mirror, signal, position, speed and look. And exactly the same as when we're turning out of a road, mirrors first. If there's someone close behind or someone going past you on the left hand side, signal earlier. Position, again, keep it centered to your lane and slow the car down. Now when you're turning into a road, we want to be doing around 8 miles per hour, okay, so a jogging pace. So therefore we want to be in second gear and our clutch must be fully up. If it's not up by the point of turn, you will get marked down as coasting on your driving test. And coasting gives you less control of the car because it eliminates the engine braking effect. So we're going to slow the car down nice and early, select second gear, bring the clutch back up prior to the turn. So the only thing you have to do is concentrate on the steer whilst keeping normally a bit of brake. Unless it's on an uphill, then you would normally be off the brake and possibly even using a bit of gas. The thing that most people do wrong when they're left turn entering or right turn entering is they'll come in far too fast and they do the gear change too late. So make sure you slow the car down nice and early, get that speed down, select second gear nice and early so you've got more time to bring the clutch up. And if you bring it up earlier, you can bring it up slower, which will also help it stay smoother and more delicate. So, mirrors, signal, a little bit of brake, hands at the top. I don't really need to do much steer here, but it's just in preparation. Otherwise you can get your hands back down to the normal position again. I'm going to keep my indicator on for this give way line. There is a silver car coming, so I'm going to go into first. Hands at the top, and then I do my pull away. Now I'm going to be turning into this next road. So mirrors, signal, brake, into second gear, clutch up nice and gently. So I'm only doing 8 miles per hour at the moment. I'm off the brake pedal, back on the gas. I'll take the second road on the left this time, so I'm going to be again a little bit faster. I'm going to be doing 30. So I'm already off the gas, mirrors and signal, start my braking process. Into second gear, clutch comes up nice and gently, still keeping the bit of brake pressure on, looking into my road as I turn, off the brake, straighten up the steering wheel again. So, I hope this video has helped and I look forward to seeing you on the next videos. I would suggest to look at the right turns.